Hey guys, this is your weekly innovation insight. Portal M will allow people to beam into homes as a hologram. During the numerous lockdowns of the last couple of years, video conferencing has helped many of us feel less isolated. Now, what we need is the kind of freestanding holograms like the one in Star Wars. We are not quite there yet, but the M by Portal comes pretty close. Portal encloses the floating image experience in a box. Currently in prototype and scheduled for release in March, the tabletop holoportation machine features an AI-enabled camera and integrated speakers. The unit's stand accommodates portrait or landscape orientation, there's a high-definition touchscreen display out front, and 16GB of system memory and 1TB of storage inside. Next, PayPal is exploring the launch of its own stablecoin as part of its cryptocurrency push. PayPal has engaged in major cryptocurrency effort in recent months, launching new features to buy and hold the digital coins as well as the ability to pay for purchases using the monies. Other companies are already utilizing cryptocurrencies such as Burger King, Coca-Cola, and more. Lastly, development at semiconductor giant Qualcomm shows that a compact, new integrated electronics package will be the brains for the next generation of advanced smart drones. With high computing and ultra-low power consumption advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and visual inertial odometry, the Qualcomm Flight RB5 5G drone platform and reference design supports longer flight time and runs more applications simultaneously. Nowadays, everyone is talking about delivery drones. Qualcomm has already teamed up with Uber Eats to work on food delivery drones. Qualcomm quote 10 million consumer drones shipped in 2020, expected to reach 21 million by 2025. Here's something for you to think about. New business models enabled by the Trivergence are beginning to disrupt many industries and provide platforms for innovation in the economy for decades ahead. This second era has weighty implications for every business, government, and individual, as well as technology strategy, architecture, and leadership. How are you going to use the Trivergence to build your better world? In summary, Portal M will allow people to beam into homes as a hologram, PayPal explores the launch of its own stablecoin in a crypto push, semiconductor giant Qualcomm continues to innovate around the growing drone industry. Thank you for watching. This was brought to you by Leadapreneur.